I am not a doctor. I'm not even a folk scientist. I'm not even an armchair alchemist. All I can do is repeat what I've heard smart people say. And that is to engage in what's known as active recovery. See, our bodies were designed to move around. You know what doesn't move around? Dead people. If you're interested in living, you should study living people, not dead people. And what do living people do? Living people move around. Generally speaking, when you hurt yourself, you don't want to just sit on the couch all day. That one is wrong. For me, when my hip hurts, I ride an exercise bike. The exercise bike doesn't hurt my hips, and it keeps me active, keeps the blood flowing. And that helps the damaged human meat flush out all the waste and bring in those sweet, sweet healing agents. Moving around is the obvious choice. You just need to move in ways that don't hurt your injury. One of my favorite forms to practice when I hurt my hip is this Tang Soo Do form called Nahanchi. There's no kicking. Hey guys, I don't know if you're aware, but I've got a course on the Taeguk forms, which is incredibly comprehensive. It can be found on my website, tkdguide.com. I'm going to link it right down here. It is $75, but hey, if you want to support the channel and get some fantastic information on the Taeguk forms, this is a great way to do it. I do take a lot of time to create this content. If you want to say thank you, there's no better way than to buy the course, and then you're walking away with something outside of just a donation as well. Peace.